wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance.
My goal in this video was to mimic the texture on this candle holder I thrifted using Saltwash and create an old world feel.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right?
I mixed Saltwash with DIY paint in the color White Swan. I love blending these two together. DIY paint is so thick, it makes a good consistency when the two are mixed. When you're done mixing, your consistency should be similar to a thick pudding. The first step was to cover the piece completely with the White Swan and Saltwash mixture. I brush the mixture on and then I stipple for texture. I painted the inserts with White Swan only so there would be a smooth surface for a furniture transfer. I mixed Gravel Road, Prairie Gray, and Layered Chocolate to match the color in the candle holder. DIY paint is a thick, natural, clay-based paint that is highly pigmented and has great coverage.
Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed, burning temptation, I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm all alone, try not to think about it.
I did a second coat of the gray paint mixture over the whole console.
But baby, I do.
I did the same process on this wall decor piece to match. After both pieces had dried for 24 hours, I sanded them down to a smooth finish, and you can start to see the texture. The texture really pops when you put on the top coat. I cut apart a furniture transfer and added additional detail in the inserts of the console.
What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as
I hope you enjoyed watching this video and liked the result that we got on this console. I don't think it matched the candle holder exactly like we were trying to, but it did turn out amazing. I took it to my winter show and it was the first item that sold. If you like this video and would like to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching.